my name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone, www.koffeeone.com.au. In today's video clip, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a cappuccino on the Carimali Armonia coffee machine. You take your cup and you place it here on the drip tray underneath the coffee spout. You select cappuccino. The ammonia grinds the coffee fresh for every cup. The machine is now extracting the milk from the refrigerator to do your foam for your cappuccino. One perfect cappuccino every cup. Thank you for joining us on the demonstration on how to make a cappuccino on the Carimali Armonia. This is the CEO of Koffeeone signing off until next video clip. www.koffeeone.com.au, importers of quality. Thank you.